Professional document editing is much more than making a document look clean. It requires patience, precision, attention to detail, and experience with advanced editing tools. Adobe Photoshop is one of the most powerful applications for editing scanned documents, image-based files, certificates, brochures, forms, posters, and many other visual documents where pixel-level accuracy is important. Every project begins by carefully examining the document. Before making any changes, we zoom in to inspect every corner of the page. Small imperfections that are difficult to notice at normal size often become visible when viewed closely. These may include dust particles, scratches, paper folds, unwanted stains, ink marks, scanning artifacts, shadows, uneven lighting, or compression noise. After identifying these issues, the cleaning process begins. Photoshop offers several professional tools for this purpose. The Spot Healing Brush tool is useful for removing tiny imperfections automatically. For more complex areas, the Healing Brush tool allows damaged sections to blend naturally with the surrounding texture. The Clone Stamp tool is used whenever manual precision is required, allowing clean areas of the document to be carefully copied over damaged portions while maintaining a consistent appearance. When larger unwanted objects or marks need to be removed, content-aware fill can help replace selected areas with surrounding content. However, this feature is not always perfect. In professional editing, every automatically generated result is inspected and refined manually until the final appearance looks clean and natural. Once the document has been cleaned, the next step is improving the overall quality. Scanned documents often have uneven brightness, faded colors, yellow paper, dark shadows near the edges, or inconsistent contrast. Using Photoshop's levels and curves adjustments, the brightness and contrast are carefully balanced to improve readability while preserving important details. Color correction may also be necessary. White paper sometimes appears gray, yellow, or blue due to export settings are selected carefully to preserve image quality while maintaining appropriate file sizes. Professional document editing combines technical skill with attention to detail. Every adjustment is made thoughtfully to improve the visual quality, readability, and presentation of the document while respecting its original design and content. Whether the project involves restoring an old scanned document, cleaning image-based files, refining layouts, enhancing graphics, or preparing documents for printing or digital use, Adobe Photoshop provides the precision and flexibility needed to achieve professional results. With a careful workflow, advanced editing techniques, and thorough quality control, every document can be transformed into a clean, polished, and visually professional final product that is ready for presentation, sharing, or publication.